Good morning to Ross today. Let's quickly dive into the market and see what is going on. Yesterday we saw this spike, in the price of Bitcoin moving from around 19,000 straight to the price of 21,600. And here we are today. We want to look at possibly what will happen over the weekend for concerning the price of Bitcoin and what is actually the possibility that we can take a trade or not. Quickly, let's go to the fact that we are currently seeing on the charts. Now, if you take a note, Bitcoin currently is facing this resistance of 21,500. The resistance of 21,500, that is where Bitcoin is currently battling. And not just that, Bitcoin is battling that 21,500 resistance. If you look at the stochastic RSI is showing us that Bitcoin is very seriously overbought. Now this is why we don't like all this sudden spike in the market, because they don't show organic growth in price. They don't show organic development in price. They just make price to look very artificial, and things that are artificial fade away very quickly. Now you can't compare the artificial with the natural. The natural will always be natural, and the artificial will be artificial. When price grow organically, it breaks resistance with ease. When price fall down organically, it breaks support with ease. Right now, Bitcoin grew, just in very few minutes we saw like in the price of Bitcoin, which of course is not really sustainable in the immediate short term. Reason is because it has pushed Bitcoin in a daily time frame to an overbought territory. Now look at the candlestick that is currently forming. I want to point out something here for us. Look at the candlestick. You see the candlestick that is currently forming. All right. Now just take a look at the last candlestick before this big green candlestick. Take a look at the last candlestick before this green one. Now take a look at this red one now. Can you see the resemblance? Now what this simply means is that if Bitcoin closes today like this, now we will expect that according to facts, Bitcoin will be coming down again, to come down to test the formal support. That is what we will be expecting, because Bitcoin currently in the daily time frame is in an overbought territory. Now quickly, let's corroborate our fact with the weekly time frame. Let's look at the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. On the weekly time frame, we are going to notice similar thing, that Bitcoin again is under this resistance of 21,500. Now look at the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI is making an attempt to cross to the upside. Now, if the stochastic RSI over this weekend, the blue crosses above that red and then begin to move up, that is going to clearly show to us that Bitcoin is going to open the new week. That is, we have 1 day, 14 hours left for the week to close. Bitcoin is going to open the new week right on top of that 21,500. And if Bitcoin open the new week with 21,000, I think we are going to elaborate more on this in our Sunday class. If Bitcoin open above 21,500, that means we are likely to see Bitcoin moving to touch the prices of 20,000 and likely 25,000 once again. But we are far from that. For now, we are far from that. The only thing that will give us a confirmation is the weekly open for the coming week, which is about 1 day, 14 hours away from now. Now, before we round up, let us see. And then again, remember that if Bitcoin open the new week below 21,500, the more likely for Bitcoin to come down to the former prices again of 19,000 again. All right, let's look at the monthly time frame before we round up. The monthly time frame for Bitcoin is showing us something again, that even on the monthly time frame, Bitcoin is still trading below this resistance of 21,500. Bitcoin is still trading below this resistance of what? 21,500. So a lot of indicators. Imagine that we open the week, even in a monthly time frame, that Bitcoin has gone above 21,500. And I mean, nobody will tell me to take a trade here. I'm going to take a buy trade. I'm going to take a good, sweet buy trade. So the determinant factor for us here to open a buy trade is going to be if Bitcoin open above 21,500 in the new week. The determinant factor for us to take a sell trade is going to be if Bitcoin open below 21,500. That is the takeaway here. Thank you very much. I appreciate us once again. I see you in my next video. Bye for now.